Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for an E-flat major scale. We will cover one octave and we will do first the hands separately, then the hands together. This is the key of E-flat. There's going to be 3 black keys in this scale and the fingering can be kind of tricky. So it's worth taking the time to learn it correctly. So we'll start by figuring out the notes of the scale. Do is going to be E-flat in this scale. If you look up above at the formula, you'll see Do to Re is a whole step. So E-flat to F, first 2 notes of the scale. Then Re to Mi, another whole step. We're skipping this black key right here. F to G. And then Mi to Fa is a half step, so we're going to go up to the very next key, whole step. Fa is A flat in this scale. Then we have Fa to So, a whole step. A flat to B flat, Fa to So. Then So to La is another whole step. So we're going to take So to La. B flat to C, whole step, skipping this white key right here. And then La to T, another whole step. And then finally finishing off with T to Do. So our scale for the key of E-flat includes 3 black keys. We'll have the other one at the top because we started on a black key. So we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. I'll sing the notes as we go back down. E-flat, D, C, B-flat, A-flat, G, F, E-flat. Now, as far as fingering goes, what I like to do is use a clumping technique. So you're locking in which fingers go together in the scale before the thumb crosses under or fingers cross over when you're coming the other direction. So because we're on a black key, we are not going to start with finger 1 as we do in many of the scales. We're actually going to start on finger 2, and then the thumb will come under right away for this scale. So we'll have 2 single notes, note clumping at the very beginning, starting with finger 2 on Do, then thumb under, then our clumping will be 2, 3, 4, and then thumb under to C, and then clumping will end with a clump at the top, 2, 3. Now E-flat is kind of convenient because uses 2, 3 for those black keys and 2, 3, 4 for those black keys, even though the 2's on a white key. So one more time, clumping going up, 2, 1, now we're going to clump, 2, 3, 4, thumb under, and clump. Back down, thumb, cross with 4, thumb, cross with 2. By the way, at the bottom you could also cross with 3, so you can practice in case you had more than one scale in a row. So one at a time, now the notes, E-flat, F, G, A-flat, B-flat, cross, C, D, E-flat, back down, E-flat, D, C, black key, finger 4, black key, white, white, black. Now the left hand, because of how the black keys lie, the fingering doesn't feel as nice as the right hand. So we're going to have a cross. 3 feels okay, but crossing with 4 in the middle, that just feels a little bit weird. So our left hand is used to crossing with 3 as the first cross under. For some of these black keys, you just have to think, okay, I'm crossing with finger 4 first. That'll make it easier. So we're going to clump it first with fingers 3 and 2 to start. That'll be our first clump, because if we clumped with 2, if we started with 2, then we'd have to reach over with finger 4. So we're grouping the white keys together until there's a crossover on a black, if that makes sense. So the first clump will be 3, 2, then thumb, then 4, 3, 2, thumb, cross with 2, thumb, 2, 3, 4, thumb, 2, 3. You can also cross with 3 on the top, so we're going to do that as well. One more clump, 4, 3, 2. If we cross with 3, that would help get ready for longer scales. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now here we go one at a time. 3, cross with 4, So what we're going to do to put the hands together is we're going to do a rhythmic technique of short, long notes so that the hands get used to what's coming next, especially because it's such tricky fingering. So it looks like this. We're going to start with do, E flat left hand, do, E flat right hand. First thing that's going to happen is the right hand thumb is crossing under. Now what's next is the left hand crossing with 4. These black key scales got to cross with 4. Now right hand is crossing under finger 4. Left hand's crossing on the top, 2. Let's do 3 this time. Coming back down. Right hand's crossing with 4. Left hand's crossing under 4, and right hand's crossing over with 2, or 3. You could cross with 3 as well. Now if we do that one at a time, it looks like this, nice and slow. Cross with 4, cross under 4, right hand, cross over with 2 on the top of the left hand, cross with 4, right hand, under 4, left hand, over with 2, right hand. Thank you for watching this short video on the notes and the fingering for an E flat major scale. We covered 1 octave and we covered hands separately and then hands together. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique and music theory. Thanks again for watching.